ni koa live and direct e dala mar South Carolina. Wageno ni idhi maber. Sani en seche mag somo dholuo. Koro ket gik moko te piny mondo wasom dholuo kamoro achiel. Niki rwak welo.
Oyaure, nyinga en Niki. Wadwaro somo book mar verbs. Wadhi wacho ni verbs mar Luo. I hope you enjoy.
Good. Erokamano wang'iyo ang'iya kabe gigi koro osedhi ong'we yamo direct. Pod wang'iyo kabe ero wasodonjo. Koro miwa dakika moro achiel ariyo kende mondo wang'iya ne kabe wadhi bet gi dakika ariyo mondo wang'iya ne kabe wasechako. Erokamano kamoro amora ma intie. Wagoni erokamano kuom donjo e Luo English Dictionary Channel. Niki rwak welo.
Oyare, nyinga en Niki. Wadwa somo book mar verbs. Luo Verbs. I hope you enjoy the book and yes.
Niki, you must speak in Luo. In kita ni okido wacho dholuo. Wach dholuo. Uo.
Awuoro. Awuoyo.
So we're just setting up and we give you a minute so that we can be able to start the Luo English Dictionary channel. Where is it now? So this is book number 21 and thank you for those who've been with us all this time. And we hope that you're enjoying the show. So today we're going to talk about verbs. We have 20 verbs. We are going to talk about all of them. Today is a very short session. And once we talk about the verbs, then that's it. So if you have put the comments in the comment section of YouTube. And we also have Facebook Live. So please, if you want to, you can reach us on Facebook Live. Put your comments there. We'll be able to look at them in a moment. Kitabu nini? Laptop. So we're just setting up in a moment. Today was very tough for us to settle. It was very tough to do everything. So our YouTube, we don't even know whether it's live or not. Please tell us whether it's live out there. Eta nini charger. Oyaore ahinya kamoro amora ma intie ka idonjo e Luo mbui mar Luo English Dictionary ma en agina wan kod Niki. Kawuono wadwa wacho weche mag verbs. Verbs cha akia ni wacho nang'o gi dholuo. But wadwa wacho weche mag verbs. Wan gi verbs 21 ma wadwa wacho ka. Koro adwa chako gi mokwongo. I see we've dropped some frames. Adwa chako gi verbs mokwongo. To mokwongo gin weche mag kimombo Kiingereza wacho ni possessive form. Koro an, in, en, wan, gin. Mago weche mwadwa chako godo wacho. An mano nyiso ni me, in, you, en, him or her, one, us. And the last one is gin. Gin is them. Again, an, in, en, one, gin. An, in, en, one, gin. Niki, can you say that?
An, in, en, one, gin.
And and un. Un poka keto kanyo. Thank you, Niki, for correcting me. Un. An, in, en, one, gin, un. Koro, we want to start with we have, I think, 20 verbs, and each verb is talking about we just have the English name and the possessive forms. So the first one is
they.
They.
The.
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 Adhi.
Adhi.
Idhi.
Idhi.
Odhi.
Odhi.
Gidhi.
Gidhi.
Wadhi.
Wadhi.
Udhi.
Udhi.
Say all of them.
Adhi. Idhi. Odhi. Gidhi. Wadhi. Udhi.
Correct. That is how you say the. Number 2, neno. And neno means see. So how do you say neno? Aneno. Ineno. Oneno. Waneno. Gineno. Uneno. Okay?
Aneno. Ineno. Oneno. Waneno. Gineno.
Akeso Nyarozi donje budho. Mwangi Njoroge, karibu sana. Anna Koth, thank you for joining us. Tony, erokamano kombudo. Everybody else, erokamano, thank you so much for joining us. Tell your friends to tell your friends that we are now live. Aneno, I have seen. Ineno, she is seeing or he is seeing. Waneno, we are seeing. Gineno, they are seeing. Uneno, you are seeing. And you here is possessive you, like many of you. Okay? Yawo.
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 Ayawo. Iyawo. Oyawo. Wayawo. Giyawo. Uyawo.
Ayawo. Iyawo. Oyawo. Wayawo. Giyawo. Uyawo.
Good. So yawo is open, and those are the forms that yawo takes. Number 3, loro. That is the opposite of yawo. So loro is close. Aloro. Iloro. Oloro. Waloro. Giloro. Uloro.
Aloro. Iloro. Oloro. Waloro. Giloro. Uloro.
Good. So that is loro. Then move on to the next one, which is luoko. Say luoko.
Luoko.
And when you're pronouncing luoko, you have to say the luoko. L-U has to pronounce luoko. Luoko.
Luoko.
Alluoko. Olluoko. Illuoko. Walluoko. Gilluoko. Ulluoko.
Alluoko. Olluoko. Illuoko. Walluoko. Gilluoko. Ulluoko.
Good. So make sure the luoko. Make sure you pronounce the entire thing. Now the fourth one is nindo. That is sleep. Nindo. So nindo means sleep. Nindo. Anindo. Onindo. Unindo. Wanindo. Ginindo. Inindo.
Anindo. Onindo. Unindo. Wanindo. Ginindo. Inindo.
Good. So anindo. Nindo is 2 syllables. That is ni and ndo. Ni, ndo. Ni, ndo. Nindo. Okay. The next one is chiewo. Chiewo. So these are 3 syllables. Chiewo. Achiewo. Ichiewo. Wachiewo. Ochiewo. Gichiewo. uchiewo. I repeat, chiewo. So, chiewo, chiewo, achiewo, ichiewo, wachiewo, ochiewo, gichiewo, uchiewo.
Achiewo, ichiewo, wachiewo, ochiewo, gichiewo, uchiewo.
Good. Thank you so much. Kamba language lessons. You're saying that you're watching. It is clear and the audible pronunciation. Keep it up. Thank you. We appreciate your support to the channel. And everyone else, please go and watch. There's a Kamba language is also promoting the talking of Kamba language. So you can also search for them on YouTube. You'll find their channel very interesting. Luangu Alumira, karibu sana. Patrick Stura, karibu sana. Akeso Nyarozi, karibu sana. Mwangi Njoroge, karibu sana. And let us move on. So those who've just joined us, we just completed talking about chiewo. And chiewo means wake. Achiewo, ichiewo, wachiewo, ochiewo, gichiewo, uchiewo. And those are possessive forms. Boom. Loso. Loso. Now, loso is a different form because different tonations mean different things. For example, if you say loso, that means different thing from loso. Loso. Can you now say the two of them, Nikki? Loso, loso.
Loso, loso.
Again?
Loso, loso.
Yes. So, loso is make, but loso is to converse, have a conversation. So, aloso means I'm having a conversation. So you can see, and they're all, both of them can have all these possessive forms. So, aloso, uloso, waloso, giloso, oloso, iloso. Go.
Aloso, uloso, giloso, oloso, oloso, iloso.
You see, you get confused, but you'll get it in time. So, aloso, uloso, waloso, giloso, oloso, iloso.
Aloso, uloso, waloso, giloso, oloso, iloso.
Thank you. Now, the next one we're going to talk about is mo-do. The D-H-O is do. Do. Mo-do. And modo means to drink. So, a-mo-do. I-mo-do. Mo-do. Wa-mo-do. Gi-mo-do.
A modo. Wait, modo.
Modo.
Modo. A modo. I modo. O modo. U modo. Wa modo. Gi modo.
Good. A modo. I modo. O modo. U modo. Wa modo. And gi modo. Do. 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 That is the same as the English form of do. Do is D-H-O-U-G-H. That's the same thing. Rie-yo. Now, these are 3 syllables. Rie-yo. 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 That is to stretch. A-rie-yo. O-rie-yo. I-rie-yo. U-rie-yo. Gi-rie-yo. And wa-rie-yo. A-rie-yo. O-rie-yo. I-rie-yo. U-rie-yo. Gi-rie-yo. Wa-rie-yo.
Orieyo. Irieyo. Urieyo. Rieyo.
Correct. So that is how you pronounce the rie-yo, which is to stretch. The next one is ndi-ko. Now, Ndiko is not really Luo because Ndiko is derived from Swahili, but still it has been assimilated in Luo. So, Ndiko means to write. Andiko, Indiko, Undiko, Ondiko, Wandiko.
Indiko, Indiko, Undiko, Gindiko, Ondiko, Wandiko.
Correct. So Ndiko means to write. Ndiko. Ndiko. So the next one is Somo. And Luo as such, it has been assimilated. Now Somo Ndiko, it means it seems that our Luo brothers were not reading earlier. So that's why this Swahili version. Asomo, Isomo, Usomo, Osomo, Gisomo, Wasomo.
Asomo, Isomo, Usomo, Gisomo, Wasomo.
How you pronounce Somo. Before we move on to the Somo and Somo, Somo, Somo,
Somo,
Somo,
Somo,
Somo,
Somo,
Somo,
Somo,
Somo,
Somo,
Somo.
Somo.
So what are the differences?
The O and O.
Yeah, the syllable, the way you, the tonal variation of the Somo and Somo are two different things. And Somo can also mean, you see the way a bird pecks on the seeds. That is called Somo. Osomo. Osomo.
So Somo means.
Somo is the reading part, but Somo is that part of the pecking on a bread or something like that. Okay. Chung, chung, and this one is a very difficult one for non-Luo speakers. When you see an apostrophe between after N and G, you use the word like you see, like when you say sing, sing. So that is how you say chung, chung. The same way you say sing is the same way you say chung. So achung, ichung, ochung, uchung, gichung, wachung. So ng has to be very, you have to pronounce the N and G. Ng. Go.
Achung, ichung, ochung, uchung, gichung, wachung.
Good. So make sure that you practice. Those non-Luo speakers who are practicing, please make sure you practice the chung, because this is a very difficult one to find. Bit. And bit also has two ways of pronouncing. You can say bit, and you can also say bet, bit, bet. Bit means to sit, and bet means to chop or to cut using a machete. So bet, abet, ibeto. Those is can I chop it off, or can I cut? Abet. But if you say abet, abet, ibet, obet, ubet, gibet. So this is if you say that, then it means you're talking about sitting. But if you say abet, ibeto, obet, ubeto, that is, have you chopped? It is going to the chopping version. Okay? Talk about the two of them.
Abet, Ibet, Obet, Ubet, Wabet, Gibet.
And the other way?
Abet, Ibet, Obet, Ubet, Wabet, Gibet.
Good. So that is the two versions of bait. There's a bait and bat. Bait, bat, bait, bat. Wu, o, to. So these are three syllables. Wu, o, to. Woto. Awoto. Iwoto. owuotho, wawuotho, giwuotho, uwuotho.
Awuotho. What? No. Awuotho. Iwuotho. Owuotho. Wawuotho. Giwuotho. Uwuotho.
Good. So wuotho is 3 syllables. Wu, o, to. So 3 of them. Wu, o, to. Wuotho. Now the next one is ri, ngo. Ngo. Ri, ngo. Ri, 2 syllables. Ri and ngo. Aringo. Uringo. Giringo. Waringo. Iringo.
Aringo. Oringo. Uringo. Giringo. Waringo. Iringo.
Good. Aringo, oringo, uringo, giringo, waringo, iringo. Biro, 2 syllables. Biro. Come, biro. Abiro. Obiro. Wabiro. Ubiro. Gibiro. Ibiro.
Abiro. Obiro. Wabiro. Ubiro. Gibiro. Ibiro.
Good. So biro means to come. Biro. Biro. So the next one that we talk about is dawo. So DHA is da. Dawo. Dawo. Idawo. Wadawo. Gidawo. Udawo. Odawo. Adawo. Idawo. Wadawo. Gidawo. Udawo. Odawo.
Adawo. Idawo. Wadawo. Gidawo. Udawo. Odawo.
Good job. So that is how you pronounce the dawo. So those are the 20 verbs that we prepared for today. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have a question or comment, please write on the comment section and we shall be glad to answer. We are also available on YouTube. We've done a video that summarizes all that we've done today, and YouTube either today or tomorrow, depending on the internet connectivity that we have. We really appreciate your support and your interest in the channel. Thank you so much, and for now, Oriti. Bye bye.